Hi, welcome back to the Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. I love drawing so much. Today I will drawing and coloring beautiful Peppa Pig who is about to go swimming. Let's draw with me. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, and pink color. I will show you how to draw a beautiful Peppa Pig very easily. Watch this video until the end. Let's draw with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.
Falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron